So hello everyone, in our performance marketing fundamental series, today we are going to learn about the metric which is known as click-through rate. It is also abbreviated as CTR. Okay, but before we understand click-through rate, let me explain you what a click is. So let's say if a user comes to the Google search engine and he searches something. For example, here he is searching best trading platform. So on the top an ad would show up. So this is an impression of an ad, and if the user chooses to click this ad, that is counted as a click. So click-through rate basically means how many times people click your ad after the ad is shown to them. So it is calculated as total number of clicks divided by total number of impressions. That basically means number of clicks that an ad receives divided by number of times the ad is shown. So for example, if there is an ad which has 100 impressions and out of the 100 times the ad is shown, it is getting clicked 5 times, then in that case CTR would be 5%, that is 5 by 100. So 5% CTR basically means if an ad is shown 100 times, then out of those 100 times the ad is shown, it is getting clicked 5 times. So a high CTR indicates that ad is relevant, ad is engaging, and ad is helpful to the user. And this CTR rate, it varies across the industries. Now let me explain you CTR through one of the campaigns that I am running. Okay, so this is last 1 month data, that is November 2023 data. So for this campaign, you can see the impressions for a month that I'm getting is 13,000 and the clicks for the campaign is around 8,000. So CTR would be number of clicks divided by number of impressions, that is this number divided by 13,000. So in this case CTR is 60%. So this CTR is high because this is a brand keyword related campaign that I'm running. Okay, but I hope you understand what CTR means. Please type yes if this metric was clear, and thank you.